Good morning, children. So today we are going to discuss about the second chapter, the very same chapter that we had discussed in our main book, the starting point, that was about Milkha Singh. So there we had got to know the three incidents which changed Milkha Singh's life to become an athlete, and here we are going to know actually this part from your workbook. This is a part which you have seen in the movie, and also it is told to you, or you will get to know this in the form of an interview. Here we are not going to talk about Milkha Singh. We are going to talk about Milkha Singh, but not the person Milkha Singh. Okay, here we'll be talking about Farhan Akhtar. You all know who is he. He had played the role of Milkha Singh in Bhag Milkha Bhag, and we will get to know how he did the shooting, relating to the shooting, many things we'll get to know, and what are the things did he have to do to come into the form of Milkha Singh. Let's see. So in the reader, you read how Milkha Singh began his training to become an athlete. Now read an excerpt from an interview with Bollywood actor Farhan Akhtar, in which he speaks about how he trained for his role as Milkha Singh in the film Bhag Milkha Bhag, how he trained himself. Okay, so there are how many questions? 3 questions are there. The interviewer asks to Farhan Akhtar and then he replies back. So the first question Farhan Akhtar is asked by the interviewer is that, what was the most difficult thing about preparing for this film? When you took up this role about Milkha Singh, what was the difficult part for you to groom up for yourself, or while you were doing the shooting? Giving up rotis. Farhan Akhtar has answered that giving up rotis, he couldn't have rotis for 1 year. I had to live on egg whites, grilled fish and protein shakes to shape up and look lean and trim. This was his diet for 1 year. Okay, he had to have all this, he had to consume all this to remain in the shape, or to make himself more better perform like Milkha Singh. Everything matters, okay? This diet thing also matters, not only just acting. Many things matter for here. Interviewer, next question. What else did you have to do to prepare for your role? This was only about diet, but what other things did you have to do for your role? Because just acting is not enough. Many other things are necessary for acting that particular role. So here he says, since my role was to show the life of a legendary sprinter, you know, racer, athlete, and he is legendary, he is a legend, everyone knows him, as the Flying Sikh. His identity is known to everyone, right? So the first step was to learn to run like one. First of all, the main thing that he had to learn was, he learned himself how to run like Milkha Singh. 2 people who helped me reach this goal were the track and field coach. He had appointed some persons for him he had hired some persons so that they could teach him. They were the track and field coach I hired to teach me the basics of running, and my trainer, who prepared a workout routine and the high protein diet I had to follow. There were 2 persons to help him to teach. That was the track and field coach and Farhan Akhtar's own trainer, who gave him the workout routine whenever he has to work out, exercise and all, and the diet which he will have to take. I trained for at least 5 hours every day for about a year and a half. Until we finished shooting the film, I lived in the skin of my character. Now this line is very important. What he says here is that for about a year and a half, that means the shooting took around 1.5 years to complete, until we finished shooting the film. Who am I referring to here as he? Farhan Akhtar. We are talking about Farhan Akhtar, right? So this person, Farhan Akhtar, he was no more Farhan Akhtar. He was living the life of Milkha Singh. See, this thing is very important to understand for you. Whenever you also perform dramas, you act. Okay. A person, suppose, let us take anyone, you yourself. You will not remain the same person when you are acting in the drama. Then you get the role of a character, and you are no more that particular you are no more yourself at that time. You become that character. Nobody is going to know, the audience, nobody is going to know who you are. They are going to know what role you are playing, and that is your identity, and that you have to play quite well. So that was the thing for him. Interviewer asks this third question in the last one. That sounds like a lot of hard work. That means you had to do a lot of hard work, right? What was the most difficult scene to shoot? Now you can all imagine which was the difficult scene when he says here. The most difficult scene was a shot in the snow. Remember now? Snow-capped mountains of Ladakh, 5,000 meters above sea level. You can remember, no, now everything is coming to your mind now. I had to run with a tire strapped to my waist. Yes, you remembered now. Okay. 5,000 meters above sea level, I had to run with a tire strapped to my waist. Yes. It was a 2.5 minute scene. It was not quite a long scene. In the movie, that is around for 2.5 minutes only. Okay. But I trained for about 3 months to get it right. See, that scene appeared only for 2 to 3 minutes highest. 2 minutes highest. Okay. But Milkha Singh, to run like Milkha Singh or to behave like Milkha Singh, Farhan Akhtar had to practice for 3 months so that scene can be perfect one. So you can imagine how much Milkha Singh had, Farhan Akhtar had practiced, or how much he had worked on himself. And that movie was quite a very nice movie it was. And if you see, then you can understand how much hard work also Milkha Singh had to do, and that is what Farhan Akhtar showed in the movie, right? So yeah, here our second chapter also ends. I'll be providing you the question answers, and yeah, till then, stay safe. Thank you.